So guys, here is my beans and plantain. If you want to see how I make these yummy beans, join me in my kitchen. Hello Lady P lovers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Guys, in today's recipe, we are going to be preparing brown beans. Okay guys, so I have my ingredients already. First, I have my brown beans. Okay, this is the ultimate of what we are preparing today. Also guys, here is my tomatoes. I also have some Scotch bonnet pepper. I have two seasonings. I have two onions, red bell pepper. I also have my red palm oil. I will be using it along. So guys, here is my crayfish. I will be blending it along with the tomatoes. Of course guys, I have my three plantain. We cannot cook beans without plantain. So I have my three red plantain. I will be needing it too. So guys, stay tuned and watch me how I prepare these yummy brown beans. Lest I forget guys, are you coming across my video for the first time? Please guys, do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. Also like my video. Okay, you can also share to friends and family. I love you. So guys, here is my beans. It's half done already. Okay, now I will be adding my salt to taste. So here is my plantain. So this is how I prepare my beans. When you prepare your beans like this guys, you will love it. So here is my plantain. I'll be adding it to cook. Now I'll be adding my onions. Here's my chopped onions. Okay, now I will add water before I cover it to cook. Okay guys. So I just add in the water. I'll be adding one seasoning to it. Okay guys, it's time for me to cover it to cook. Okay guys, so in 20 minutes time we'll come and check it. So guys, this is after 20 minutes. I'll be checking on my beans. Okay, let's open it together and see. Wow, so let me check. Okay, oh, it's almost done. I'll still allow it to cook. Okay guys, so I'm going to cover it back to cook. Okay guys, so stay tuned guys. Meanwhile, I will be blending my tomatoes at the same time. So guys, now I'll be checking on my beans. Wow, guys, my beans is well cooked already. Okay, guys. So, guys, my beans is well cooked already. I'm going to transfer the beans into a bowl because I'll be using this pot. Okay. Okay, guys. Now I will be adding my palm oil. Okay, guys. I just add in my palm oil. At the same time, I will be adding my onions. Mhm. So, guys, this is how I prepare my beans. It's so yummy this way. Guys, have you liked this video? Please, if you have not, give me a big thumbs up, guys. Oh, okay, guys, so I will allow it to fry for a minute. Then I will add my blended tomatoes and the rest ingredients. Okay, guys, I just add in my blended tomatoes, red bell pepper, all the needful, all the ingredients we need. I just add it now. Okay, guys, I will allow it to cook before I transfer my beans into the pot. Okay, guys. Here are some salt to taste. I just add my salt. Also, I use one seasoning to cook the beans already. Now is the second part I'll be adding it to. Okay, guys, let me excuse it. Okay, okay, yes. So here is it. I just add it. I'm going to cover it to cook a little bit. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. So, guys, this is after 10 minutes. Wow, wow. Do you see that? Okay, guys, let me give it a good stir before I add in my beans. Okay, guys, here is my sauce. Now I'll be adding my beans. Don't forget I blended my crayfish along with the tomatoes. Okay, let me add in my beans. So now I'm going to give it a good stir, guys. Okay, guys, so this is how I prepare my beans. If you try your beans this way, you won't regret it, guys. It's very nice this way. Okay, guys. After turning it, it's almost cooked done. Okay, guys, I'll just cover it for like 5 minutes. It's done. Then I'll turn off my gas. Okay, guys, I love you all. Wow, wow. So, guys, now everything is well combined. I'm going to Just cover it this way to cook for 5 minutes. Then I'll turn off my gas. Okay, guys, I love you all. So, guys, this is the finishing of my beans. So, guys, it's time for the plantain. Okay, guys. So, guys, I'm done frying my plantain. Okay, guys. So, guys, my food is ready. It's time for me to serve. As you can see, my plate is ready. Okay, guys. Wow. So, guys, my beans is served. This is the outcome, guys. It looks so inviting, guys. Or what do you think? Guys, it's so sweet. Trust me. Please, if you have not give this video a thumbs up, give me a big thumbs up. Okay, guys, I love you all. Bye bye. Wow, guys, do you see that?